Okay, guys, today we're going to learn about SAP, and we can say introduction to SAP. So, welcome to our channel SAP Buddy. So, please like and subscribe, and please watch till the end. So, these are the contents which we are going to learn today. What is ERP and benefits of ERP? What is SAP and why SAP? System landscape, organizational structure, modules in SAP, and types of projects in SAP. Okay, so let's start from point one. What is ERP? So, ERP basically stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. The simplest way to define ERP is to think about all the core processes needed to run a company. You can say finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement, and all others like production planning or plant maintenance. Those are also. At its most basic level, ERP integrates these processes into a single system. It means that all the processes we require to run a business or all the components we require to run a business, SAP, ERP, what ERP like cumulate all those processes, all those entities into a single system or integrates into a single system. That's called ERP, means to use your resources in a better planning way to make it most efficient for your organization or enterprise. That is why ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, so how does ERP system work? An ERP system, also called an ERP suite, is made up of different enterprise resource planning applications that talk to each other and share a database. That means uh, a finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement. If we call these are the different entities, those are talk with each other and share a database. Means you can find a common database for all of these resources. Okay, then each application typically focuses on one business area. You can combine different module to meet your needs like finance, human resources, sales, and logistic are popular starting points. There are also modules specific to industries from manufacturing to retail to service industry. So this is how the ERP system work. This is an example how a ERP system looks like. For example, if I have implemented that ERP in my organization, then how a basically system is look like pie chart. We can generate pie chart. We can generate diagrams, graphs. So this is an example. Okay, so these are the key benefits of ERP I have listed out here. So we'll discuss it point by point. The first thing is higher productivity. So higher how ERP enables your productivity in a higher level because it automate your core business process and helps everyone in your organization do more with fewer resources. Means it you can say it connects with each other, like each other resource planning entities connects with each other so that your resource will get less affected and you will get more productivity. Okay. Next is accelerated reporting. Accelerated reporting matlab means ERP gives you a great options or great you can say variable options to generate your reports according to your requirement. If I, for example, if I talk about any inventory or any stock related report, that I want a report of whatever the stocks I have received or whatever the transactions, stock related transaction have made in the previous month. So those kind of reports I will get in fraction of seconds we'll able to get in ERP. So that's why it is called accelerated reporting, because if you follow any previously legally legacy system, then you will it will take much more time comparison to ERP. Okay, so that's why accelerated reporting is a benefit of ERP. Next is simpler IT. So by using integrated ERP applications that share a database, you can simplify IT and give everyone easier way to work. So if I talk about the IT part, it simplifies the IT. You can share your database cloud, yeah, on premises. That depends upon your requirement or your feasibility. So IT also gets simplified in ERP. Next is deeper insights. It eliminates information silos, gain a single source of truth, and get first answer to mission critical business questions. Deeper insight means it doesn't matter how much how much critical process you have in your business, but by the use of ERP, you can achieve your process into system, and you can implement through ERP. So, and also various complicated integration processes, like if you are a private organization, then your integration with different particulars, like in government portals or anything, so those are the integrations point also can be carried away through ERP, so that's why it is called deeper insights. Next is lower risk. It maximizes business visibility and control, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and predict and prevent risk. Because in lower risk means the risk of data loss is very very less in ERP. We can archive our data in our system, and it stores in table, and it gets stored in cloud or on premises database, depend upon the feasibility and your requirement. And another thing is manipulation, like data manipulation. Malfunction is next to impossible in ERP system, because everything gets recorded in the real time. For example, if I have performed any good receipt, so the data of that particular transaction gets stored in the system in that real time scenario. For example, in this date I have received this quantity of goods, so my user ID, my system number, the exact time, the exact date will get stored in database, so you won't be able to get malfunction to your system. Next is improved agility. With efficient operations and ready access to real-time data, we can quickly identify and react to new opportunity. That means improved agility. I have already told you, like the different integration scenarios in your business, which requires to integrate with other business processes. Like if you are a private organization, then you need to integrate your some business points with the government options or government particulars. So those agility will be provided by ERP also. So these are some key benefits of ERP we have discussed. Next is type of ERP. I have already told you the cloud, on premises, and hybrid. So cloud ERP means the software runs on provider's cloud computing platform. The maintenance of the system is handled by the provider, and there is also a choice of utilizing a public or private cloud, which is gaining acceptance because of the low upfront costs. So any business can opt for these one of these options, like if they want to accept cloud ERP or on-premises ERP or hybrid ERP according to their requirement, they can do. On-premises ERP means this is the traditional model of for deploying software where you control everything. Means it it will implement on your premises. The ERP software is installed in your data center at the location of your choice. The installation and maintenance of the hardware and software is your staff's responsibility. Okay, means you have your separate IT team which will take care of the hardware and software related issues, or those kind of stuffs. Next is hybrid ERP for companies that want a mixture of to meet their mixture of both to meet their business requirement. There is the hybrid model, means this is where some of your ERP applications and data will be in the cloud and some on premises. Sometimes this is referred to as two-tier ERP. Okay, so this is the type of ERP we can use. So this is a diagram I have demonstrated here to show you guys the benefits of ERP, or how ERP connects all the departments or all the entities. Like ERP can manage supply chain management, manufacturing, Internet of Things, project management, customer relationship management, service management, sales and marketing, human resource management, business intelligence, asset management, big data analytics, financial management. So SAP can, ERP can manage all these aspects of your business. Okay, so this is the key benefit, or this is the major benefit of using ERP, that you will get all these aspects covered in one system, and that is ERP. Okay, next is I think we have learned about ERP. So next move to what is SAP. Okay, what is SAP? So SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. It is the full form of SAP: Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. And SAP is the largest ERP solution software provider in the world. So SAP is basically one type of ERP, as we have already discussed, but it is the largest ERP solution software provider. SAP main product is SAP R by 3 or SAP R by 3. So what is R? R stand for real time data processing. So I think previously I have given you an example that how if you are processing a goods receipt or any kind of receipt of goods, then how the real time data will get stored in your database. That means who is the responsible person who is processing that good receipt, and at what time, at what date, and from which system. So those are the things will get stored at particular real time, so there is no malfunction will happen to your system. And three relates to three tier architecture. So what is three tier architecture? We'll discuss about in the later phase what is three tier architecture. Okay, so next is, excuse me, the name is an initialism of company's original German name, System Analyze Program Network, which translates to System Analysis Program Development. Okay. Today, the company's legal corporate name is SAP SE. SE stand for Societas Europea, a public company registered in accordance with the European Union corporate law. So this is basically the history. You can say the very minimal history I have collected and showed here. And as I have in the next point, it has been shown that founded in 1972, the company was initially called System Analysis Program Development. Okay, so later abbreviated to SAP. Since then, it has grown from a small 5-person endeavor to a multinational enterprise headquartered in Waldorf, Germany, with more than one, like you can say, 101,000 employees worldwide. Okay, this is basically something about SAP, a very basic overview that what is SAP, SAP stands for what, and what is about the history. So this is. Next is why SAP. Why, as I have, okay, let's go to the previous slide. Here I have shown you SAP is the largest ERP solutions service provider. That means many business organizations, the big companies, the MNCs, they are opting for SAP. Then why they are opting for SAP? We should know that the reason behind why. Okay. So the company's integrated application connects all part of business into an intelligent suite on a fully digital platform, thereby replacing the process-driven legacy platform. As I have told in the introduction in the first slide, that SAP or ERP integrates all business resource planning entities into a single system. So it connects them, and it connects through database also. It shares a common database. So that is the best and the most influential point that why we should use SAP. Okay, sorry. With the introduction of its original SAP R by 2 means R I have sold the real-time data processing and three is three-tier architecture. Okay, R by 2 and R by 3 software, SAP established the global standard for enterprise resource planning software. Now SAP, the latest is SAP S4 HANA takes ERP to the next level by using the power of in-memory computing to process vast amounts of data and to support advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now in SAP S4 HANA, so SAP is using its own database, that is HANA database. So which is very helpful for its in-memory computing process of vast amount of data, and it support advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. That's why it goes to the next level ERP. Okay. So below are some facts I have listed out. 18,300 plus partners worldwide. 91% of Overs Global 2000s are SAP customers. 200 million cloud users leverage SAP solution in 180 countries. So in worldwide, SAP is very famous and it is very trustworthy. This is a basic diagram that why SAP. This is the components of why SAP topic. ERP and digital core, CRM and customer experience, analytics, digital supply chain, network and spend management, development platform. The most important is the development platform that it continues its development process. It is growing day by day. It is the adaptivity nature of SAP that it quickly adapts the new changes happening in the system, in the government system or any policies. So that's why the development platform is the key point. Next is rock solid data security, top tier partnerships, and the only truly integrated software system. Rock solid data security, if I talk about, then one of the first companies in the world to receive global certification from British Standard Institute, SAP ensure that customers' privacy rights are protected, and it should be the priority. Okay. So top tier partnerships means there is very I must say rock solid data security means security purpose is very highly rated in SAP. You can say user ID, password, login credentials, roles and authorities. Those are very critical aspects of SAP, and SAP always look for the privacy concept that how it will get better day to day. Next is top tier partnerships. Okay, SAP has chosen a collaborative multi-cloud strategy that puts customer first by partnering with hyperscales including Microsoft, Alibaba, Amazon, Google, IBM, and other leaders. Means it has top tier partnerships, big companies of the world, leader companies, they are using SAP. Okay, and the next is the most one of the most important point that the only truly integrated software system. So there will be a lot of softwares available in the market as they are ERP softwares or ERP software systems, but the integration performance or the integration that provides SAP that is unmatchable with any other system. With intelligence embedded in our technology, process, and applications, our advanced software system provides everything you need to run an intelligent enterprises. Okay, so there are some key benefits I have given of SAP, like reduced data footprints, hardware and operational costs, agile development of applications, simplified application architecture, highly availability, disaster recovery, scalability and security capabilities, real-time inventory controls, new predictive scenarios and analytical insights. So these are the key benefits. Okay. So as we have discussed, it is a three-tier architecture. So what is architecture? It has shown here. So three-tier architecture means we have three layers. One is presentation layer, another is application server, another is database. So how it works, that everything gets stored in database, then from database it will move to application server, and from application server it moves to presentation layer. So this is the flow from bottom to top. Presentation layer means where end users will get use the SAP or run the transactions, and from database all the data will flow to the presentation layer. So this is the three-tier real-time three-tier architecture. One is presentation layer, application layer, and one is database. Okay. System landscape. So system landscape means landscape is like a server system or like a layout of the servers, or some may even call it the architecture of the servers. SAP is divided into three different landscape, that is development, quality, and production. So development would have multiple clients like 190, golden, unit test. Quality have also two to three clients for training, and production have something like a 200 production. So this is a flow chart of system landscape. One is, excuse me. Okay. So this is development server, this is quality or testing server, and this is production server. Just take it as an example. So development server has two clients. One is golden client, another is test client. So in golden client, we perform the configurations or anything new configuration has taken care in golden client. Then it moves to development server, that is test client. We provide that we can do the unit testing here in the test client. Then after passing of the test that we performed, the changes or the configuration move to quality or testing server. Then here we have also two type of client, or may have one client, that depends upon the business. One is our SIT, or we can say integration testing we perform here. Another is user manual testing, or the user will perform the test, user acceptance testing client. So where user will test their processes, and they will give the approval that yes, the process you have designed, that is okay, and we can take it further to production server. So this is production server. Then the changes will flow to the production server. That means the production server will have to, it is the go live server. Okay. So this is basically a system landscape, and I will make a detailed session about system landscape in later wise. This is the basic overview. Okay. So this is basically modules in SAP. What are the modules in SAP we can have? This is some basic examples I have given. Controlling, asset accounting, sales and distribution, material management, PP production planning, QM quality management, PM production planning, PM plant maintenance, sorry it was wrong. Then PS project system, human resources, financial accounting. So that depends upon the business entities which runs your company or your organization. Depending upon, we can implement our modules in our business. So this is type of projects in SAP: implementation project, upgradation project, support project, or rollout project. And the division of implementation project is greenfield, brownfield, and bluefield. So type of project I will make another session about what are the types of project in later. But I think it is that's it for today, that we have learned so many things. So in the next videos I will post about project types and all other things. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope it will help you to learn about the introduction to SAP. And I will keep posting different videos. And please like, comment, and share your views. Okay, so thank you so much.